Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Kurnia Ratri Assalma. I'm from Akuatik Research Management, Gadjah Mada University. Today, I want to tell you about how to write an effective research paper. In this content, I'm going to start with an overview of what is research writing, then talk about the structure of the research paper, what parts it's composed of, and some tips for improving the quality of writing. First, what is the purpose of a research paper? The main purpose is to share your knowledge. Share your knowledge you've gained in your study with other research. Then, to show how your study fits into the current science. And the last one is to informing the public about important scientific activity. So, let's talk about 4 important factors of research writing. First factor is coherence. That means including all of the necessary information in every section. It means not repeating the information. The second factor is organization. An organization is basically the structure, the IMRD. And you should put the right parts in the right place. The third factor is relevance. Relevant means conforming to the length guidelines. It means choosing the right data. You have to make sure that your research method and results you include are relevant. The last factor is clarity. Clarity means writing clearly, writing elegantly and nicely. So, it should be really easy to read and understand. Your paper should not be a struggle. And this is kind of a golden rule for all rules. That is, you have to check the formatting and style rule of your target journal. Next, let's talk about research writing structure. So basically, there are 4 main parts in most research paper, and they're usually in this order, and that is introduction, methods, results, and the discussion or conclusion. So, you start with the introduction, what is known, the basic topic that you're going to discuss. And you quickly move into the literature, what is unknown, what are the gaps in the literature. In the middle, you can make a hypothesis. So, you're going to give a very short statement about what your research study is doing and what's the purpose of it. And the methods and results are the shortest part of your paper, but they are the most compact, they have the most data, and then the discussion is a bit longer. Let's talk about each part in particular, and this is the order that you will usually read a research paper. First, introduction. Introduction discusses the problem that you are going to research. It discusses the background and describes how your research fits into the known information. You will also see a lot of primary literature, and a lot of citation. Second is the methods. The methods tell you how you did the study and tells what materials and methods of experimentation, which methods of analysis you used. Third is the result. The results explain the important findings of your study that help to answer your research question. Fourth is discussion. The discussion explains what your findings mean, why are they important, and what are the implications for other research. It also can talk about limitations to your study, and you can discuss possible research in the future. Next, let's talk about how compose a paper. Even though your introduction comes first, you actually begin with the method section. You are going to write that first, and then you will write the results, and the discussion, and finally the introduction. That is all for me. Thank you so much for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.